There goes a skid steer. Where's it going? Backing up. Putting his bucket up. Going back, moving those tracks back onto that flatbed truck that has a forklift on it. Driver's got to be real careful as he backs up. He's got his hard hat on, he's looking backwards, loading up on the truck. He's got to get right up next to that forklift. Beep! He honked his little horn. Just where he wants to be, right up against that forklift. There he goes, puts the bucket down, puts it back up, puts it down, shuts it off. All done, all parked, and out comes the driver. Well, see you later, skid steer. See you later, forklift.